Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the Fusion Energi's inlet and carry the SAE J1772 connector. The vehicle uses a 6 kWh battery for plug-in charging and accepts both Level 1 and Level 2. Inspect the included 120V cord for damage and ensure the circuit is dedicated and rated for continuous use at 12 amps. For faster charging, locate a 240V EVs capable of 32 amps, confirm the plug fits, and park with clear access to the charge port before connecting. Begin each session by unlocking the car, opening the charge port, and connecting the SAE J1772 plug until it clicks securely. Confirm the dash or port LED indicates charging. If using the included 120V cord, plug into a grounded, dedicated outlet and expect about 7 hours to reach full charge from near empty at 12 amps. When using a 240V EVs delivering roughly 3 kW 32 amps, connect and monitor the car to complete charging in about 5 hours, then unplug and stow the cable. Follow safety rules. Avoid extension cords, use a dedicated outlet for the Level 1 cord, and have a licensed electrician install a 240V circuit for Level 2. Improper wiring risks fire. Program charging start times to off-peak hours to reduce cost, and limit charging to a daily top-up rather than constant full cycles to prolong battery life for the 6 kWh pack. If you see a port error, unplug. Power cycle the vehicle, inspect the connector for debris, and retry. Contact a dealer if faults persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.